Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day that we will be installing the Ardex / Everbilt shower system in this shower here. This isn't going to be a step-by-step. I am going to show how to install a couple boards, and then I have to move on up until I install the shower tray, just because I have to, move this along. And but yeah, if you need a step-by-step, Ardex TLT is the same exact shower system as the Everbilt shower system, so you can always look that up. But I will show you, like I said, I will put this corner up and you'll get the gist of it as we move along. So I'll be right back. Alright, so you guys can see we installed the first board here. So the next step after you install your first board is to apply the adhesive sealant from Everbilt, which is this one right here. You apply a bead on the edge, and then you apply your second board right on top of it, like so. This is no different than any other system, just like that. And the next step after that is going to be to apply your washer and screw right on the edge, and then every foot after that. So we got the second board up, and like I said, you're gonna repeat this step from this first one. You're gonna apply your adhesive sealant again, and then apply your second one, your next piece. And then when you get here, you will apply here, install this piece, and then apply on the next seam and on this seam as your next step, which I'll show in the next portion. Okay, so now that we have one side of the wall up, now we, as I stated before, with this new piece here to cover our next piece, you're going to go up on this section with adhesive sealant all the way up to where the tip of this next board. So like that. Once you slide this piece in, just like so. Sorry for the camera. You slide it in like that, and there you go, just like so. So as you can see, we got our next panel up, and this is your next step. You put adhesive sealant on this joint and on this joint, so when we put this next board up, it seals here and there. All right, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm on the pan section so I can show you guys this one. Actually, I'll come back when I have to do this wall so I can show you how to joint this one with that wall. Okay, now to do this joint here, for this first board, you want to put adhesive sealant on this board right here, going all the way down. Alright, so once I get this board up, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so once you get your next piece on, like I said, when you're doing the corner joint, you're putting on adhesive sealant on this seam and on this joint here, on this board and on this board. So when you slide in your next piece, you can do this. Okay. Alright, so here is the walls already installed. This is the Everbilt panels, by the way. This is a really big shower. Okay, we're covering all the seams and screw holes now. And then the way you install this, I already put the sealant on because we're going to be installing the shower pan now. And the way you install that is you put sealant and then you install this piece that comes in your drain kit over there, and you just sit it right on the sealant like so, and then you add your screws like so. Change and swap hands because I'm not a lefty. There we go. Where is it there? Let's move on to the next hole. Okay. Anyway, you get the gist of it. You put your screws on, then you tighten it down with a 11 wrench. Okay.